Come on guys, I'm almost done. Stop it. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. And today I'm going to make a French baked dish with very few ingredients, that is the potato au gratin. French cooking means a lot of butter. So the first step is to heat some butter. I have 3 cubes of butter here. Once the butter starts to melt, reduce the flame and add in about 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Let the garlic cook for a few seconds. After cooking the garlic for a few seconds, add in 1.5 tablespoons of plain flour. Give it a good mix and cook this till the flour changes color. Once the plain flour changes color, into this I'm going to add in 1.5 cup of milk. So basically I'm making a white sauce here. I've also made a bechamel sauce, that is a white sauce. The recipe is on the channel, so you can check it out. Slowly add in the milk. Break all the lumps. So I've added the milk slowly so that you keep stirring simultaneously and then there are no lumps in the sauce. Let's bring this to a boil. The sauce has become nice and thick and it's been bubbling for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now into this, I'm going to add in a little bit of pepper powder, salt and some cheese. Half a teaspoon of pepper powder, salt to taste. I'm using soft cheddar cheese over here. It's so soft that you can't even grate it. So I'm just going to cut it into pieces and put it in. You can add in any cheese of your choice. So the cheese goes in and we're going to cook this till the cheese melts. So about 2 tablespoons of cheese. Stir this in. I have a smooth creamy sauce here which is ready. Turn off the flame. I've taken about 4 potatoes that I've thinly sliced. They are not wafer thin but about 2 mm thick. And I soaked them in water, salted water for about 10 minutes. And now I've drained out the water. Now into this, I'm going to mix in the sauce. I'm also going to sprinkle a little bit of oregano. So about a teaspoon. Crush them. Crush the flakes between your palms and then add it in. And now let's mix this. The potatoes and the sauce is nicely mixed. I have a baked dish here. You could even butter the baked dish or skip it because there's enough butter in the sauce. And now, time to layer the potatoes. Of course, you can just pour the entire mixture in the baked dish, but I like to layer it just to make it look nice and pretty. Trust me, this layering is quite therapeutic. Now I'm going to drizzle a little bit of sauce over this. So after every 2 layers of potatoes, just spread a little bit of the sauce. And I'm also going to sprinkle some finely chopped chives. You can add in any kind of fresh herb that you have at home. Chives and potatoes is an amazing combination. And now, let's continue layering. After layering the potatoes and baking the dish, we're going to have a delicious au gratin ready. But that's not the only exciting part of the recipe. Of course, we have the shout out segment, so stay tuned till the end. The potato slices are layered. Time to top it with a little more sauce. And this is ready to go in a preheated oven at 160 degrees for about 25 minutes. Au gratin means a golden crust over a baked dish, either with breadcrumbs or cheese. So after 25 minutes of baking, I'm going to remove the baked dish, grate a little more cheese and bake it again till you get a beautiful golden crust. The au gratin has baked for 25 minutes and I've removed it from the oven and I'm going to grate some more cheese on top. This goes back into the oven to bake for another 5 to 7 minutes till the cheese melts. The aroma is making me hungry, but there are just a few finishing touches that are left. So I'm just going to garnish it with some chives and some chili flakes. The cheese has melted beautifully and we have a lovely golden crust. You can layer the potatoes and keep the baked dish ready. And just 30 minutes prior to serving, put it in the oven, bake it, grate some cheese, and the lovely potato au gratin is ready. Do try it at home, comment below and let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Potato and cheese makes an amazing combination for an au gratin. What combination of veggies would you like to add into this recipe to make it nice and unique? So do let me know in the comment section below.